London, a city that gets under your skin. Can a city be an emotion? Not just a place to visit, but a state of being that stays with you long after you've gone? London. A city symbol. The capital of power. But is it really? Is it still the heart of an empire, or just a collage of tourist brochures, crowds in Trafalgar Square, and selfies with red buses? To me, it doesn't matter. Because London is more than an image. It's an experience. It all begins with a single glance. Big Ben and the Thames, a classic frame seen by everyone. But to me, it's more than a clock tower. It's a note. A sound that carries the echo of something greater. Something that once was, and still lingers somewhere. That first moment, always the same, makes something inside me pause. As if time suddenly stopped. I stand on the bridge and feel like I'm in a city that isn't rushing to be modern. Because it still remembers its old soul. I sink into its rhythm. I walk. I take the tube. I order a pint in a pub near Trafalgar Square. No hurry. No need. Here, every sound, scent, and glance becomes a melody that no other city plays. It's not a tourist tune. It's more like a song of longing for what was, and what might return. I walk on. I pass Buckingham Palace. It doesn't impress me like in the guidebooks. But it does move me, as a symbol of endurance, as if whispering. Not everything must change. Not everything needs to chase forward. By the Thames, I look at the London Eye. Not to write it, but to see what the city looks like from below, from a distance. From that angle, everything feels softer. A boat glides along the river, people gaze into the distance, children toss crumbs to gulls. The city lives, and dreams, at the same time. In London's museums, I feel nostalgia. Not just for history. For something deeper. For a world where looking at an exhibit was a quiet moment of contemplation, not just a photo for Instagram. The museums here remind you that wonder can live in silence. London doesn't shout. It speaks softly, to those willing to listen. It doesn't reveal itself all at once. But if you let it in, if you fall into its rhythm, you'll discover that this chaos has a soul. Don't look for London in a guidebook. Look for it in yourself. In the taste of beer. In the step onto the tube. In the gaze through a fogged-up bus window as rain blurs the city's edges. London isn't an attraction. It's a state of emotion. And if you feel it, it will stay with you for a long time.